Hi, this is Jacob Allen, AEP 859 Mod 1. I am from Ottawa, Kansas. I currently live in Denver, Colorado. I work in Lakewood, Colorado at McLean Community High School. I have taught math now for 7 years. The first 3 I taught at at Junction City High School in Kansas. Both places I've had a little bit to do with curriculum development, so I'm excited to learn a bunch more in this class. That's me on the right. I like to stay active with my wife and then 2 friends there. The other things for the presentation, the goals I have, so in the short term to complete my degree by July, and then long term move into a principal's job probably in the next 1 to 5-ish years. And then what do I want to learn from this course? I think I just want to learn where is education headed in relation to curriculum. How is curriculum decided upon? It was interesting reading the passage to see about the roots of the standards, but I think I've got a lot to learn in the course. Like I said, where it was, why do they choose, and then what is the future of it all. Just one more slide, and that is just a picture of my school here. I was making another presentation, and I already had this image, so I figured I'd use it again. We are located in a nice campus on Green Mountain, so great views. Thank you for listening.